Hey guys, I'm going to do another video on the Cicada 180. I was requested to try these out with some 3-blade props. I'm using some DAL 4045 propellers and a little bigger battery. It's a 750 Turnigy graphene, 750 milliampere 4S instead of the 650 pulse I was using before, so it should be a little bit more power. And then I'm also going to be testing out these Boldclash Comet antennas. They kind of look like a single disc pagoda antenna, so I'm not really sure how this is going to work out. I've been told that you should use these together since they're matching or whatever, so we'll see what the video reception is like with this Comet antenna. I can already tell it has more power in the turns. Video reception seems pretty good so far, but it's a nice open area. I have the antenna facing away from me. Does seem like a little bit more power with a bigger battery and 3-bladed propellers, but not a whole lot more. So reception all the way down to the end of the soccer field here is okay. Seems like pretty normal, typical breakup so far. I think having a bigger battery is going to give me a little more flight time as well. This is still the same stock Betaflight tune from before. It didn't change anything. Probably should give this a little bit of a tune, but it seems to fly really well on the default PIDs. There we go, got a little beeper there. Voltage sag on the punch out. And I think that's getting close to the end of the battery. Nope. So on the punch out, the voltage sagged to about 12.6, and it came back, it recovered to about 13.5. So might be able to fly a little longer, approaching 3 minutes. And now we're down to about 12.4, and I'm at a lower throttle, so I think the battery is almost done here. Just recovering a little bit. And there goes the beeper and the massive voltage sag. Oh, it's time to land.